In behalf of my father, I proudly accept the award in recognition given by the PBA Press Corps. Allow me to read a message that my father asked me to read in front of you. To the officers and members of the PBA Press Corps, esteemed and distinguished guests, PBA family, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I am deeply honored and humbled to accept this Lifetime Achievement Award. My heartfelt gratitude goes out to the PBA Press Corps for this recognition. Reflecting on my career, I am truly grateful for the opportunities I have had and the people who have supported me. From my early days with Toyota to my years with Barangay Ginebra, my journey in the PBA has been extraordinary, to say the least. To my former teammates, coaches, and fans, thank you for being an integral part of my PBA adventure. Your unwavering support and belief in me have been my driving force. Together, we achieved great things, and I am proud of what we accomplished on and off the court. I want to extend a special thank you to the fans who have supported me through the years. Your passion, energy, and unwavering loyalty have been a constant source of inspiration. You are the heart and soul of Philippine basketball, and I will forever be grateful for your love and support. Basketball has always been more than just a game to me. It has been a platform to inspire, to lead, and to connect with people from all walks of life. The never say die spirit that we embraced at Ginebra is a testament to the resilience and determination that determines and defines us as Filipinos. To my family, with special mention to my wife, Evelyn, thank you for your unwavering support and sacrifices. Your love and encouragement have been my foundation, and I share this honor with you. To the PBA Press Corps, thank you for recognizing my contributions to the sport. This award is not just a reflection of my achievements, but also a celebration of the millions of Filipinos who have been part of my journey. Of course, I cannot forget the PBA. To the league that has been my home for many years, you gave me the opportunity to grow, to fight, to win, and even to lose. Every challenge, every victory, and every moment on the hard court taught me lessons that go way beyond basketball. In closing, I'm deeply grateful for this great honor. It is a reminder of the incredible journey I have had in the enduring impact of basketball on all our lives. Let us continue to celebrate the sport we love and inspire the next generation to dream big and persevere. I will continue to carry its legacy with me for the rest of my days. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all.